Welcome to the Calculus, a collection of micro lectures, video lessons, and sample exercises. Let's compute the antiderivative of this given trigonometric function using the substitution rule. So the same as the previous video, we have here the integral of 4 and the square of secant of 5 minus 2x dx. Okay? So the first thing we need to do here is, of course, take out the constant multiple 4 so that we can see the trigonometric function as it is. You have here the square of secant 5 minus 2x dx. Just don't forget that the result for this in the previous video, you see the chain rule is actually equivalent to negative 2 of tangent of 5 minus 2x then plus c. Let's show that this is also true for this video. Let's start by letting our angle be equal to u, 5 minus 2x. This is the first thing we need to do so that we can actually trim down the possible rules we need to use later on. That would mean we have here 4 times the integral of your square of your secant u, and then dx would be represented with du. We can do that by deriving both sides of this equation. U becomes du is equal to 5, becomes 0, its derivative, minus 2x becomes minus 2 dx. Okay? Because it's negative 2x, that's why it's minus 2 dx. Then dx is equal to, dividing both sides by negative 2, is actually negative 1/2 du. Okay? That is the item we need to place here so that this item could be integrable. Now, let's look into that. We can see that our function would now have negative 1/2. You can take that out. You'll have here 4 times negative 1/2 is actually equal to negative 2, the integral of the square of secant u du. Then here we do have a rule for this. This is that rule that the integral of your secant or the square of secant x dx would be equivalent to tangent of x plus c. So using that here, this would be equivalent to negative 2 times tangent of u, not x, plus c. Okay? Which would then be equivalent to, multiply negative 2 here, negative 2 tangent of u, and we have plus c. Generally, we are going to accept plus c, even if you will have minus 2c, because c is the general form for arbitrary constant. This is the answer after using u. But u earlier is equivalent to 5 minus 2x. So with that, u be equal to 5 minus 2x. Our final answer here is negative 2 times tangent of your binomial expression 5 minus 2x plus c. This is then the answer to this item. But going back to the item here, using the chain rule in the previous video, please try to review that video as well. Using the chain rule, we have the same result as this using the substitution rule. In short, you can use any of them if you're not required to use one, and it's up to you which is easier for you to use for future examples. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now!